Using company information page, you can also navigate into numbering series. In this place, you can find all the numbering series that are used in the system. All documents, all entities like vendors, customers and items has its own numbering series that is defined in here. You can also find it in financial management setup. Just go to search, numbering series. It's in here also. Okay. If you define numbering series, you put a code and the description. It is a good practice to use a code connected with a module. In this way it's easier to find and assign numbering series for each documents. For example, it's easier to find assembly numbering, fixed assets numbering, some general journals or item journals numbers, using P for purchase and S for sales documents. You can find those settings in purchase and sales setups. You can check that in the previous lectures. So we have code and description and a starting and ending number. Last date used. So here we will find the date that we used this numbering for the last time and the number that has been used. If we want to let the system use this numbering automatically, we should check default numbering. If we want to use manual numbers with this numbering, so if we choose this number and we will change it manually, the system will let us do it. We should check manual numbering and the date order. In this way, system will use dates for controlling numbering series. How numbering series are defined in the system? So let's open one of the purchase numbering series. Okay, and go to lines. In the lines, you defined starting date for using this numbering series. You don't have to do it. Then system will just use this line to get the number. You can put starting number and ending number. You have to remember that the number you want to add should be on the end of the number. In this way, system will know that this number needs to be added when using this numbering series. You can also use ending number and put the number you want to reach. And to be sure that system will give you a warning, you can put a warning number that system gives you when the number will reach the number you put it here. Okay. You can also use starting date in defining numbers. Then in the number you can use years or months. For example, you can define different numbers for different months and years. So for January and so on. In this case, of course, you have to put the number for each month, but then according to posting date on the invoices or other documents, system will use a different number for each month.